In this project, I will show you how to use custom font in your Flutter project. First, you need to make a new folder called fonts in your asset folders, and then you need to go your Google and download font which you like. I will go with Popin fonts. You can get this font, download, go to your download folder. Yep, I already downloaded one. No, extract this one. Copy the fonts styles and paste in your font folder. Now go to your pubspec.yaml file. Oh, I am already there. So now here you can uncomment this example and use your font. No, here font family name where you can get. You can see the Poppins in every file. The first word is same, so that's your family. So you can write name here. No, the address of you can get like asset then font. So we made that the wrong folder. So shift this in assets. Control X, Control V. So no, it's fine. So give her name like first assets, then fonts. Like first our folder is assets, then our fonts, and then our font family, font style. Like this one is Poppins, and you can add multiple. Like I will add 4 mostly. That's okay. You need to remember this here in pubspec. The space is really important, so do not give extra spacing. Like this is your, you can say block type. Like in your dot code you use brackets for blocks, but in pubspec you use space for blocks. So no, I will go with regular and bold and semi-bold, and then with medium. So I define this. No, if you want to use popping through your project, like in whole project, you can go your main file and define in your theme data, like here font family popping. I already defined it. So this is important if you wanted to use popping through whole in your whole project. If you want on just in a specific file, then you need to go your sentence like home. I will go to your, like first I need to run the app so we can check this pop-in font is implemented whole the project or not. So run the project and let's see. So it's look like your font is set.